Hi there, this is Leona Butler from Butler Creative Childcare Resources, and I just wanted to flick through our 2021 Queensland Kindergarten Weekly Programming and Reflection Diary. That's a nice plastic cover there this year. Important information we have there. This is some tips and tricks on your weekly programming and reflection diary. It just explains all of the headings that we've got in our boxes on the pages and what sort of things you might want to include in those. We also have on our website, on the homepage at the bottom, there's a link to download an ebook which has these pages filled out, a few examples of how other people have used them, so that's really great to download. We've got our important contacts, 3 years at a glance. We've got school holidays, public holidays, diversity and sustainability calendar, linking theorists to the EYLF outcomes. That's really a popular article, that one. And the relationship between EYLF and the Queensland Kindergarten Learning Development. So this is for the Queensland Kindergarten Program. Professional Development Summary. You've got 2021 Year Planner, and you've got January at a glance. And we've got a full page for programming notes for January. And then we come into our main spread here, which is our QKLG Creative Thinking Program. So we've got down the side here area to tick off the Queensland Learning Guidelines there that you may have covered this week. We've got Monday to Friday there. We've got stories and songs, art, craft and cooking, role play, sensory, mindfulness, group learning, which is your intentional teaching. We've got children's spontaneous choices and outdoor experiences or observations. So that's that week of programming. And then this is for the same week, and it is your reflection on that week. So was it a good or challenging week? Why were your programmed goals and projected QKLG outcomes achieved? Just some we just want to reflect on our intentional teaching, learning experiences, professional inquiry, learning data, changes to the environment, resources used, and family input. So we've got a space here for routines and transition comments. We've got individual observations taken this week. So there may be some children, not all, or groups of children that you just not want to make an observation on this week. You can also refer to your learning guidelines there as well. So what's your extension planning? And here is just some space for your photographic evidence of your learning experiences, and then suggested topics for next week to explore. So they may come from something that has arisen through the spontaneous choices of children. So next week you might decide to focus on one of those areas. And that's the 2 spreads to a week. It's not too arduous to fill out, and it covers off everything that you need. So that's the Queensland Kindergarten Weekly Programming and Reflection Diary.